Awesome Girl here, and we are about to make sea monkeys using sea salt
And
brine shrimp eggs
and 1 quart of water.
1 quart of water.
Right here.
Just almost overflowed.
Alright, brine solution. Pour entire contents of the sea salt vial in there.
The entire content.
The entire content.
Let's make this happen.
There.
Cool.
I think we need to
That's
mix it. Let's see.
Mix it, mix it, mix. Mix, match, shake it. Shake
We don't
it.
have a mixing stick.
So let's just do this.
So we'll shake it good. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your brine shrimp. Shake your brine shrimp. Alright.
Why?
It has been shaken.
It has
The
been
instructions say put sea salt in.
We have
Add
a
the brine shrimp eggs.
Brine shrimp eggs.
Is
All of them? All of them?
it says add the brine shrimp eggs.
All of them?
Yeah. Into the solution. It says allow the solution to stand at room temperature, which is 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 48
They're coming
hours.
out. Can I put them in? Put them in?
Get them in there. What's that? Pour it in. Pour them in there. Pour them in there. Every bit of it. There you go.
What? That is not.
Those are eggs.
Not.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like chocolate milk though.
Okay, 24 to 48 hours. They will hatch into Nauplius larvae. This is the first stage of development after leaving the eggs. Then it says to place some of the larvae into one of the compartments of the hatchery. P, figure 1.
This is the hatchery.
Yeah, put some of them in there, and then put fresh brine solution in another compartment and a small amount of yeast.
Yeast.
Yeah, that's what they eat is yeast.
Wow.
Right now we're just waiting on them to hatch, and I'm going to lid this up so it doesn't accidentally get spilled, okay?
Yeah,
Are
that's
you gonna shake
this.
it?
Should we leave it in here? No, we're not shaking. Should we leave it in here or should we take it downstairs?
Just,
I should leave it right.
Okay, we're
Yeah.
going to leave it right here then.
well, was making some brine shrimp.
That's how you make brine shrimp according to these guys.
And now we can dye them blue.
You want to keep
And
these vials in here? These empty?
Yeah.
Not use them for something else later?
Yeah.
Probably my science project. That is due on Monday.
What?
Check it out, it comes with a scalpel. Yeah, I cut your wrist, look.
Okay.
Cut your eyelid off.
Guys, say hi to YouTube and say bye to
That's the
YouTube.
dullest scalpel I've ever
Say
seen.
bye.
Hi.
Bye.
She's waving viciously with a knife. That's like that's pretty dull.
Labels and 7.
That's pretty dull.
Ow! That did not hurt at all.
Yeah, it did. You just think it didn't.
Yeah.
Specimen bye.
Dad, say bye. Say bye.
Bye bye.
What the heck? We've got the marionette that looks like Harley Quinn.
I do not look like Harley Quinn.
And you have me,
Harley Quinn. Who's that?
Harley.
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 That's who you should
Which
be. Harley Quinn.
What's some
Harley
part
Quinn.
say?
Harley Quinn is my favorite superhero.
Which part
Do
say?
not speak ill of Harley Quinn. You will.